In our last example, we moved a single block, we changed the color of the light, and we moved our first hinge on the left-hand side. Now, of course, there's going to become situations where we want to move multiple things at once. Very common, mechanical systems aren't just one component, they're usually many. So you're able to actually chain commands together with a very simple syntax. So if we remember, our command to rotate our first hinge was hinge/rotate, and we selected our hinge, hinge 1, 1 being the first hinge on the left side, and we rotated him to -45 degrees. We're going to run that again and see him move. Okay, that's cool. But let's imagine now that we want to rotate the other hinge above it. So that's hinge 1, 2. So we just simply separate it by a semicolon. We add that command there, and if we can change the second target to hinge 1, 2 and run that again, we'll now see that second hinge moving as well. You've built a routine. Let's imagine we want to reset them. We can go 0, 0, hit the run, and we'll see both of those hinges reset at the same time. That's pretty powerful. Now we can even simplify that further. So if we imagine they go back to their -45 positions, we've actually got a reset command that sits underneath most mechanical blocks, lights as well. So very similar to the command before, we're going to remove our angles, keeping our hinges targeted, and instead we're going to run the reset command on each of these hinges. Okay, hinge 1 and hinge 2 reset. And what this is going to do is reset them back to their starting position. So click that, and you'll notice they're going to move back to 0. See the mechanical indication will show us that it's locked, and boom, everything's moved back. Now, of course, this alone also gets quite verbose. So there's probably a way we can do it even better. And in fact, there is. So I'm going to take you guys through how to save all of this into your custom data so that we can quickly call, what we'll call routines from there, so you don't have to continuously type them inside of this box.